Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am RAKESH VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw the isometric view from the orthographic views. I have taken this problem from Engineering Drawing by N.D.Bhatt textbook. Here the given orthographic views are front view and top view. By using this front view and top view, we need to construct isometric view. For drawing this solution, we need to do one important setting, that is go to the settings, SE, enter, and choose snap and grid. In that snap type, must and should select isometric snap. Then you can draw any isometric view or any isometric projections in AutoCAD software. This setting is most important for isometric projection. When you choose isometric snap, the grid sheet is converted to these inclined lines. In the previous one, grid lines are horizontal and vertical. When you activate isometric snap, the grid lines will be changed. This is the solution for the given problem. Let us see how to draw the solution for the given problem. Just once you can observe this sketch. This the given figure total length is 80 mm and width is 40 mm. By seeing this front view, top view, bottom one rectangular cuboid is there. That length is 80 mm, width is 40 mm and height is 10 mm. Now construct that cuboid by using line command. Take line command, L, enter. This width is 80 mm, 80, enter. This width is 40, 40, enter. Next, length 80 mm, width 40. This rectangle, this cuboid height is 10 mm. From each and every corner, draw the 10 mm vertical lines by using line command, L, enter. From this point, now you can click F5 function key 5, F5 for to change the views. Click F5. This vertical height is 10 mm, 10, enter. Now copy this 10 mm line and paste it remaining three corners. This is the first, second and third. Now copy bottom rectangle and paste 10 mm height from this corner to this corner. Once again see the given sketch. Top right corner, this triangular face and this section is there. You can draw as it is this top right corner by using line command, L, enter. This width is 10 plus 25 plus 10, that is 45. You can start from here. This length is 45, 45, enter, and height is 35 minus 20, 35 minus 10, that is 25, 25, enter. Again this length is 45, click enter. In the middle, one semicircle is there. In isometric view, this is appear like isocircle. So you can use one more important command, that is ellipse, EL, enter. Choose isocircle, I, enter. From the midpoint, draw the isocircle. This diameter is 25. Now choose diameter, D, enter. 25, enter, 25. Now remove the unwanted lines and curves by using trim, TR, double enter. Remove this curve and this middle portion. And here one slant edge is there. So by using line command, L, enter. Now join this corner and this bottom corner, left corner. This is appear in the front view. Here one more important point, this portion width is appear in the top view, that is 40 minus 10, that is 30 mm. So copy this entire portion, this entire uh, geometrical shape, and move up to 40 minus 10, 30 mm. You can move from this corner to 30 mm. 30, enter. Now join each and every corner by using line command, L enter. Join these two corners. Similar corners, second corner, next third corner, next fourth corner, next this fifth corner. Next one, this slant edge width is appear in the top view, that is 10 mm. Now copy CO, enter. Copy this triangular face. You can take one more line command, L enter. Draw this horizontal line. Now copy this triangular face. This is appear in the front view, but width is appear in the top view, that is 10 mm. From this point copy up to 10 mm. Now change the view, click F5 button, 10, enter. Next, remove the hidden edges by using trim command or delete command. This is the invisible, this is also invisible. Next, this edge is invisible, this edge is invisible. Next, this edge is also invisible. Now remove the unwanted lines by using trim command, TR, double enter. This one. Next, this edge, not this one, this curve portion. Next, also remove this one, TR, double enter. Remove this portion, remove this one, also remove this bottom one. Next, one more sketch is one more portion is there, that is geometrical shape circle, that is appear in the top view. So that is from front edge to 15 mm and left to 15 mm. So locate the center point by using copy, CO, enter. Now copy this edge from this edge to 15 mm, 10. Now click F5 button, 10, enter. Now again copy, select this edge from this edge to 15 mm. So now identify center point. This is the center point for that circle. From this point, once again CO, enter. Select this edge from this edge to 15 mm, 15, enter. Now draw the circle in the isometric view, that is appear like iso circle. So you can use ellipse command, EL, enter. Choose iso circle, I, enter. From this center point, this circle diameter is 10 mm, D, enter. 10, enter. Now remove these reference lines. Okay, this is the final solution for the given problem. Now select enter sketch and apply the line weight, 0.30 mm. Finally, we need to give the dimensions. You can use align dimension, DAL, enter. Give all possible dimension to outside. This is 40, this is 80, this is 10, this is also 10. Next, this height 25, this width 30, this is 10, this is 25, this is 10. Now now set the dimension the proper way by using dimension editing command DED enter, choose oblique O enter, select this dimension. This dimension should be parallel to this edge, so select this dimension, click enter. Here this extension lines should be perpendicular to this edge, so give the direction. This is the start point and click F5 button. This is the end point. Similarly, choose second dimension, oblique O enter, select this one, give the direction. First point, second point. DED enter, oblique O enter, select this dimension and give the direction. You can follow the same procedure to remaining dimensions. DED enter, oblique O enter, DED enter, oblique O enter, select this 3 dimension because these 3 are in same side. Click F5 button. Okay, this is the way to give the dimensions for isometric view in AutoCAD software. This is the final solution for the given problem. This is the final solution for a given problem. I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.